This time we are going to divide whole number by the fraction. Okay, anytime you are going to divide whole number by fraction, you have to convert whole number to fraction first. In other words, you have to convert 2 to the improper fraction. Simply write 2 over 1, okay, divided by 1 over 7. Okay, now I have two fractions. Remember the rule, the first fraction has to be copied down. So I have 2 over 1. Division has to be changed to the multiplication, and second fraction has to be flipped upside down. You have to find the reciprocal of the second fraction, which is 7 over 1. Okay, I cannot reduce anything over here, so I simply multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by the denominator. 2 times 7 is 14, and 1 times 1 is 1. 14 divided by 1 is 14. This is the solution to the problem.